Hi everyone, my name's Renell, welcome to my channel, and for today's video we're showing you guys how I decorated my room. So, I haven't been posting a video since January of 2019, so this is my first video ever coming back to YouTube because of work. I was too busy with work, school, and also I wasn't inspired in making YouTube videos no more, so that's why I stopped. So now I'm back, and I am refreshed, re-energized. I took some rest, and now I'm organized my things on the computer, put some schedules of my videos that I will make and post on YouTube. So now I'm organized. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so the first step in how I decorated my room is Pinterest and Instagram and YouTube to search for ideas and inspiration on how I decorated my room. So this is my Pinterest profile, and this is my folder of all the bedroom ideas that I saved or pinned. So this is what I got inspired from in decorating my room. So black and white, grids, plants, so those are the stuff that inspired me to have the room I decorated with today. So yeah. Okay, so once I had all my ideas into a folder on Pinterest or Instagram, I went on a blank Google Docs document and I just jot down the ideas and things that I wanted in my room. So this is my new room/desk setup Google Docs. So the main colors I wanted were black and white. Some of the decoration types were symmetric patterns, plants, and wall art. So yeah, these are just my ideas. You can also jot down your things you want to buy in the future for your room decorations, which is what I did here. And you buy staplers, storage boxes, storage cubes, and commands for my picture frames. So you just jot down your things you want to buy for your decorations on your Google Docs document or on a blank piece of paper. So the next step on how I decorated my room is to declutter my stuff. So I laid all my stuff on the floor or on the bed, and I did the KonMari method to declutter my things. So the KonMari method is very simple to do. All you have to do is just lay your stuff on the ground, get them out of their home so it's out and open and fresh. And what you need to do is ask yourself if it sparks joy or not. So if it does or doesn't, or if it doesn't have meaning, you either put it in one of these three categories that you put on the floor: keep, throw away, or donate. So yeah, that's all you need to do for the KonMari method. But if you want more information on how to do the KonMari method, I recommend you check out this book. Have it, but I don't know where I put it. So wait, let me get it. So if you want more information on how to do the KonMari method, I recommend you check out this book, either at Barnes & Nobles or buy it on Amazon. It's called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, written by Marie Kondo, so that's why it's called the Marie Kondo method or the KonMari method for decluttering your things. So you can either search it up online also or on YouTube because it's all online since everything is high-tech already. So just search how to declutter the KonMari method and all the stuff will pop up. So that's how I got to learn how to declutter my things and have lots of minimalistic stuff, and how my room looks more neater and less messy and stuff. So yeah, but if you want me to explain the KonMari method or how I tidy my room up, I'll be sure to put that on a separate video or make that on a separate video. So yeah, so get this video to 10 likes or 1,000 likes if you want to see that video of how I tidy my room or how I did the KonMari method or how to do the KonMari method. So yeah, first step is to just declutter. Okay guys, so the fourth step is very simple. The fourth step is to just put your things in their designated home. So after I decluttered my stuff and the stuff that I didn't want anymore donated or thrown away, put all the things that I kept in their storage bins or their designated homes. So yeah, buy some storage crates, storage bins, storage cubes, either Target, Walmart, IKEA, or wherever you can buy your storage bins at any store. So yeah, just the fourth step is to just put your stuff in their designated spot. So the fifth and final step on how I decorated my room is to just buy decorations and either online or at Target or Walmart. But for now, I'm going to keep my room as a blank canvas, so nothing's on my wall right now except for these two and some string lights. So I'm just going to go decorate my room along the way and buy stuff that means something to me or something that I like. So I'm not going to buy stuff for no reason and have it lay around my room under my bed or keep it in the closet for a long time and never be touched. So I'm just gonna wait and just decorate my room on how I want it to look like. So yeah, right now it's a blank canvas, and as I go along the way, I'll just buy decorations to my liking and ask myself if it sparks joy or if it means something, and buy it and put it up on my wall or on my table, on my nightstand or desk. And yeah, that's how I will decorate my room, is by just buying things along the way and not buying stuff for no reason, or yeah, just waste money, you know. So yeah, so I just bought plants because that's the other thing of that I got inspired while searching on Pinterest or Instagram, is plants. I also bought this diffuser, like a smell diffuser. So right now it's lavender. Not turned on right now because it ran out of whatever you call it, the scent thingy, so I have to put more to get it going. So yeah, I like it when it's like has the mist going because it's like spreading the smell everywhere. So yeah, my favorite is the lavender smell because it keeps like things calm, keep yourself calm and stuff like that. This is the scents that I bought from TJ Maxx for my diffuser. Lavender, eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint tea tree, and sweet orange. So those are the different scents that came with this pack. This is what it looks like. 3 drops in the diffuser, then it starts misting everywhere. So those are the 5 steps. The step 2 is optional. If you want to do step 2, it's the same as step 1, which is just jotting down stuff on your piece of paper, getting inspired to decorate your room. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video wasn't too long. Please like and subscribe for more videos every weekend. Comment down below on the decoration that you like in my room, because after this I'll be showing you guys a montage of my room of what it looks like now and before and after. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.